Part 2 is subtracting polynomials. And for the definition or kind of the procedure I have, it says to change the signs of the polynomial being subtracted, then combine like terms. Okay, let me explain that after I show you what the problem's going to look like. If you have negative 7x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus negative 8x plus 2. Okay, the problem will tell you to subtract. Okay, so I say change the signs of the polynomial that's being subtracted. Okay, that means I'm talking about the second polynomial. So if I look at that, I have a negative sign in front of it. What have we always said since the beginning? If I have a negative in front of parentheses, it is the same thing as distributing a negative 1. And so if I distribute a negative 1, what's going to happen to these terms inside? Their signs are going to change. Okay, so with subtraction, you will rewrite the first polynomial, negative 7x squared plus 4x plus 7. The second polynomial, we're going to distribute this negative, basically. Okay, so when I say a negative times a negative 8x, that's going to be a positive 8x. Negative times a positive 2 is going to make it a negative 2. So this is what I mean when I say change the signs of the polynomial that's being subtracted. So distribute out that negative and it will change your signs. Then it's just like addition. Combine like terms. Let's see what we can put together. Okay, so I look at my highest degree, negative 7x squared. That's the only x squared term, so I would bring it down. Then I look at 4x, which I can combine with 8x. Both positive would give me 12x. Positive 7, negative 2 would give me positive 5. So this would be my answer. Okay, all the like terms are combined, and the answer is written in descending order. Let's look at another example. Say if we have 7a squared minus 3b squared plus 10 minus a negative 2a squared plus b squared minus 12. Okay, again, the first polynomial will stay the same, 7a squared minus 3b squared plus 10. The one that's being subtracted, the one with the negative in front of it, we're going to change the signs. So this will be a positive 2a squared, a negative b squared, and a positive 12. Okay, take just a minute and look at those signs. All I did was really distribute that negative. Okay, so that changed my signs. Then I'll look at what can I put together? 7a squared, positive 2a squared. That's going to give me 9a squared. Finish with those two. Negative 3b squared, negative 1b squared is negative 4b squared. Finish with those two. Positive 10, positive 12 would be positive 22. And so this would be our final answer. You will have some problems that have maybe more than just one step. Okay, let's say if we have negative a squared plus 1 minus a squared minus 3 plus 5a squared minus 6a plus 7. All right, I have addition and subtraction going on in this problem. Again, you kind of look at it as, we just want to clear out these parentheses. There's nothing in front of this polynomial, so it's going to stay negative a squared plus 1. This polynomial has a negative in front of it, so what's going to happen? The signs are going to change. Inside the parentheses, this is a positive a squared. So when I say negative times positive, that's going to give me negative a squared. The 3 is a negative, so when I say negative times negative, that's going to give me positive 3. This polynomial has a plus sign in front. The signs will not change. So this is a positive 5a squared, a negative 6a, and a positive 7. We only changed the signs of this polynomial that had the negative in front. Then we're going to go through, see what we can combine. Negative a squared, negative a squared, positive 5a squared. So negative a squared is going to be negative 2a squared, plus 5a squared will be 3a squared. And that takes care of those 3 terms. The next term I want is going to be my a. So we only have just the negative 6a. So we're finished with that. We have a positive 1, a positive 3, and a positive 7. So that's going to give me positive 11. So here is my final answer.